Good morning, Prashant sir. Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
So, welcome back to the session. Up till now, verbs, past and past participle you did.
Yes.
So, did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Actually, I have doubt in past and past participate.
Mhm.
I have remember when we used to active and what? Sorry, direct indirect speech.
Mhm.
We used in that session in that topic past participate. Na, like fed V3 past participate fed. We have to use in school or we maybe use in school. The dog is fitted by me. Then we use past participate. Na?
Hmm.
In simple sentence, we are not to use past participate. If I want to use past participate in the simple sentence,
No, you can't.
it is not it is not correct, na?
Yeah,
Okay,
you can't. Because past itself means in present, which we are saying the sentence. You can't
okay.
use past participle in that word, in that sentence.
We use in the indirect speech scenario.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
It has done by me. It held by the other one. It's
Huh.
happened
Because,
by
huh.
that people. Okay.
Yeah. It is a matter to put a lot of interest in this.
Yes.
Sometimes what happens, we say, yes, sir, I am understanding, but the dealing goes in that way that, yes, you are doing that, but it is part of your about things to understand that. It needs concentration actually and practice and regularly using of this.
Yes,
So
sir.
I hope
Correct.
you got a lot of writing work because sir provides you and a lot of basically first you need to understand that and then you can work upon that. So
Yes, sir.
if any doubt, any queries relating to it, this also you can ask. No issues as such. Further, so welcome back. A very good morning to all of you. A very pleasant one.
Good morning, sir.
So should we basically again I have to remind you that we are actually doing a recapitulation of module one done up till now. In which if you have any query, any doubt, anything you didn't understand, or I probably know that you all have understand. But only thing is that we were just wanting to you that you should deliver much more of topics using more of sentences and basically you are well versed but while only speaking whatever the flows because what happens time is less for us and what happens that whenever you speak instantly that moment I don't pinpoint because what happens you are in the flow of speaking and I didn't want that you should be disturbed by that. But yes, slightly, but gradually you all are improving in this speaking. So it is good to see and confidence. You actually are boosting your confidence up, and finally you're delivering actually. So good to see that. So we'll continue with our thoughts, with our process, with our session. So how we should start? Why I say about yesterday because I get a sort of touch with you and me that yes, sir wants that whatever happened yesterday, you need to tell what happens again. More of speaking we are doing with each other, more of interaction, more of communication we are doing with each other. So therefore, I was wanting you that every day, and that will make a habit of right from starting only you are starting speaking or communicating, whichever topic it may be. I didn't mean to say that what happened yesterday because if I'll ask about today, you haven't done anything. Or if I say today, what is your plan for today? That also you can start with it. Or yesterday you saw an interesting factor or something improvement or something a sort of incident you want to share with us. That also you can do that. So I feel no, you yourself should take initiative. So I want to share something with you. Also, I need to just tell you what happened yesterday, or so I need to share you that what sort of enjoyment or what sort of achievement or what sort of contribution I've done, or it could be at your family place, it could be your office place. So in this way, you can start with it.
Hello.
Who will start first?
Hello. So, Sushma. Hello.
Sushma, speak loudly.
Am I not audible?
You are
You are
audible, but little bit loud.
Okay, is there sound coming from background?
Okay, no. Now it is okay.
Okay. Me myself done loud, right? Hello.
No, Sushma, you need to speak
First,
louder here. You give
sir,
throat.
actually,
You
I
give here. No.
right, sir. No, I am getting continuously message. Ki mute yourself.
While singing, no, while singing, when low chords are there, when low chords are there, and that is the toughest part. You have to stress more of your throat to give the power to bring out that word. Otherwise, you sing low notes, you won't be able to sing. And one more thing. If you're putting your neck down and try to sing low notes, your voice won't come out. Therefore, you have seen all the singers who sing high pitched song, they keep their head parallel or a little bit higher. And with different reaction they do like that. But
Sir,
you
actually, I'm
bring-
getting.
now same volume if you keep it, but you'll speak a little bit louder, no? We'll be able to hear you nicely.
Actually, video is interrupting, and I'm not getting you clear. Am I audible now? Proper?
When you say, am I audible? That time we can
Am I
hear.
audible?
Continue.
Actually, sir, I'm getting message to mute yourself. Why is that? So I don't know. I guess network issue.
No. Message what?
Mute yourself and off your video.
No, I didn't get. Message from?
Hello,
Message from?
sir, mute yourself. I'm getting issue. Network issue, I guess.
Acha, due to
And,
network issue.
and video is also interrupting.
Okay.
Now I guess it's clear.
So you'll be sharing? Yes, you continue.
Yes.
We'll try to listen.
Okay. Good morning, sir. Good morning, all of you. As I shared, I'm not at my place. I'm at my auntie place, right? And yesterday, I want to share about my yesterday, right? So I want to take leave yesterday actually, but I didn't take because I have already taken on leave on Monday. So I didn't take the leave. I asked my manager, no sir, I will join because I have a work at Pokhara branch, which is a 13 kilometer from my place, right?
Mm.
So at 10:30, I had reached at my branch and complete my pending work, and even I lined up the appointment also. I went to the Koradi and attend the customer, and at 2 even I didn't get my lunch also, sir. So whole day actually at the time of 4, because I asked my manager that I'll join and complete my work, and whatever I lined up my appointments I will also complete that, but at 5 p.m. I want to go back. So he gave me permission at that time in morning when I said to him I will join, right? So sir, at 4 I was free by doing my all stuff and by completing my all work. So I asked my manager, sir, as I told you, I have a work. I am not at my place. I'm at my auntie's place. So I want to join. Actually, yesterday, sir, I have katha at my house, Satyanarayan Puja. So that has been done in afternoon only, but lunch is there, and everybody is waiting for me at 5. They are not had their lunch. They wait for me because I didn't take lunch box with me, right? So I asked my manager, so please let me go at 5. So he said, no, no, Sushma, I want to come at your branch. Please wait there. So I wait there at 5:30 till 5:30. then he won't come, sir. So I called him and said to him, ki, sir, I wanted to take leave, but then also I have a work, and because I in morning my somebody told me ki don't uh, sir, when you told her ki without any intimation I'm taking so much leave, our manager, of course our superior get problem because he has also responsibility towards the company, and that's why he actually he permits me, but then also we don't feel to get it right. So yeah, I said, sir, I want to take leave, but then also I didn't take even the regular days. I didn't do this much work, whatever I did today. Then also, and I told you at in morning, ki I want to go earlier. Then also I wait for you till 5:30, and you won't come. And now you are also saying, ki wait uh, more half an hour. So I won't come. I can't wait for you because my at my place my family is waiting for me for the lunch, and this is evening already. In evening passed away. So he very politely said, actually he wanted to argue with me, and I also wanted to argue with me, but we both take initiative. Ki, sir, I don't want to argue with you. I understand you stuck in somewhere. That's why you won't come. But you just wanted me to stop by going back because I have taken the leave yesterday. But you didn't understand. Ki, I also wanted to leave today also. But then also I joined the office. I wait till the 6th. Then also you are complaining and you are saying me ki you didn't do this and you didn't do this. But after and at 7 a.m. he called me again, sir, and he said ki sorry Sushma. He said apparently sorry, sir. I don't think so ki my manager said sorry to me. I don't like it to be, but at least he called me and he said me sorry, and he said ki, yeah Sushma, you didn't take leave, and even in a few months after a lockdown you didn't take a single leave or an half day in emergency also. You came to office, but what happened na ki I also got pressure from my upper level. So that's where we can share our things. So we transfer this to you. So I'm very sorry. At you had reached at your place wherever you want to go. To, I said yes, sir. I also understand you got pressure, and so we talked half an hour more, and we shared each other's problem, and that's how I ended. Sir. So what I want to say, if we think slowly and thoroughly, and if we understand others problem, then we can understand ourselves also.
Isn't it related with a regular day of life skills?
Right, sir? Whatever you taught in these 10 days or 11 days, we actually apply indirectly or directly.
Sushma, everyone is having different atmosphere. You saw the realistic actually, the basic intensity of realistic. Others I have not dealt up till now because such scenario can come one or the other day. Because you are going in a very formal sector, others are also doing. It's not like that. But see, you saw the commitment, you saw patience, you saw anger management, you saw sorry acceptance,
Right, sir.
you
So
saw
actually,
dedication.
what happens now when we become a good listener? Every time situation and persons are matters, sir. Every
Absolutely.
time.
I really agree with this. You have seen the entire scenario. If we discuss this way, no, I was dealing in that only. What happened to her? What the boss said. Boss also was pressurized about. But the thing is that same moment he forgot that yes, I made one employee to leave there. Though she requested me that "Sir, I need to go early, but still could be possible he was not remembering that. But yes, when you explain that so and so thing, he also felt sorry for it, stating that yes, a lot of pressure is there from above, and that is the reason I couldn't inform you. But pain and agony taught you that such things happens in our day-to-day life. So in this situation, how we need to survive or how we need to get up from all these problems, life teaches. And sometimes what happens, good enough, Sushma, you have patience. If suppose we are angry and then we argue with the boss, that is an issue. Suppose in that case, suppose you would have shouted and said, "Sir, what is this? I did
Yes, sir,
this."
I wanted to in reality, but I hold
But you
myself.
control. No? This is also
I hold
important.
myself.
Temper management is important.
Right.
Temper management is very, very important. Today's life, two things are there. People nowadays, this generation, they don't have patience. And believe me, if I'll say no, around 80% people they don't have patience. And the second thing is that they are not able to cope up with anger management. And one more thing, if I can add it up, is situation management. Very, very important aspect. At any cost, if you are stuck up, what sort of solution you will take it out? And in this particular situation, where jobs are not there, where people are throwing off by their jobs, reduction of employees is happening in this scenario, then we have to be very agile. We have to be, because this is the case what is happening with others. So patience, new generation, less. Anger management, they don't dealt in that way what is needed to be. That shows your maturity. Basically, if you go with all one solution matter, if you have solution management also, good. So all these aspects. See, whatever life skills, apart from that life skills, you saw the commitment, the feeling of sorry, the feeling of how you dealt with that. Because you are also in emotions, you are also in agony. Most importantly, meal, hunger. So that creates more problems for a person that particular time. But yes, it taught you something that it can happen in this way. So I know that you have learned. In fact, when you say all your stories now, I go into it. I go into the depth of that. I understand like the thing is happening with me, or the I can just go and visualize myself that Sushma is in this scenario and the boss is in this scenario. What needs to be taught in this? But sometimes what happens, our maturity comes out first. And you showed also, sir, I wanted to shout, I wanted to argue, but I get my control. Later on, it happened to be that sir said sorry for it. Agree at whatever reason, because there was no other option, acceptance. After that, no other option is there. And finally, you also have to deal with it fine, content with. Keep yourself cool and calm. Yes, whatever sir said, can't do it about it. Because finally, it's a job.
Right, sir.
But
Finally.
yes, but remember, today your commitment, today your thought will have a mark on the boss. That yes, I made Sushma meet, wait. Some of the other day he'll give you in return in that way. That
Right.
yes, you
But
can
sir,
go.
every time it not happen. If other person is
Yes.
kind and nice, then also it happen. But every time it not uh,
Every day it won't happen. Na?
not
Every day.
happen, sir. Only
But this
person depend on
yes.
the person, right?
But this contribution
But
of yours,
patience works, sir. Patience works.
hmm,
I agree.
patience work.
But it
So
needs patience
hmm,
for more patience. It needs time, actually, sir.
Sushma, life is associated with these skills. We are busy in our education qualification, we're busy in our professional life. See, this patience will stay forever. Whether today you are in a profession, tomorrow as a family, because you know what situation comes out to be. I'm not stating with a boy, I'm not stating only with the girl side. I'm telling about boys also. They are not able to handle pressure. They are not able to handle family. They are not able to handle parent along with that companion. Then and there itself, the important aspect of understanding, patience, knowledge, your problem solving method, the way you can counter both of them together. I'm especially stating this to the boys also. It's not easy. And if you have really a good sort of patience within you now, you can solve problems or you can bring down such problems into a normal level. So this is very important.
Yes, sir.
So it works. It really works. I said you know environment also matters. You are in a different sector of present scenario, how you need to work. And the more you will get responsibility, banking sector is very much busy nowadays.
Yes, sir. Nowadays they become just only profit. They
They are
believe
business.
in only profit.
because the entire country works upon economy,
Right.
and you yourself know that how much busy you are. Basically, I'm talking about all the banking sectors presently, because money coming in, flow of money, nowadays it is not happening in that way. So it's a pressure for you all also in that way.
Right.
The production and sales and manufacturing sectors are moving on gradually, slowly ahead. But banking sector, the money intake, the money flow intake in the bank is not in that way. And probably other part of your portfolio of your work. Probably you understand much better in that.
Right. Right. Sir. I understand.
So proceeding, who else wants to share?
Hello.
Yes, Rahul.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. dear.
Good morning, everyone. Sir, actually, I want your help. Actually, sir, last 10 to 15 days, we know each other very well. And you know where we commit mistake. Actually, sir, daily I tried to learn or to understand English. Means daily uh, uh, I am trying to learn. Means I learn grammar. I want to improve my vocabulary, and I learn newspapers, watch movies. But when I get time daily, I stuck somewhere. So means I stuck means from where I need to start.
Hmm.
I stuck somewhere.
So what you
Yes,
will
sir.
do? You stand there.
No, sir. I will run.
I didn't say you to run. I didn't say you to run. I said, Rahul, you have 20 seconds. You have to finish. I didn't say it about race. I didn't say it about running. I didn't say anything. But what your mind worked out that yes, I need to run and beat the time. In the same manner, when you get stuck up into problems, it is you yourself only that particular time to bring out the solution. For example, one more, if some matter is going on in between family members or between friends, you'll wait for the situation until and unless it happens to be worst. No, no.
No, sir.
You will skill yourself to deliver your action and to stop fighting, or whatever ways. If you also want to fight, you can fight. See, many things depends upon you. For example, speaking also, Rahul. Speaking skills also. I'm telling you that you need not have to wait. Open up. You don't put yourself into a barrier or obstacles. क्या होगा ज्यादा से ज्यादा आप गलत बोलोगे ना.
Yes, sir.
This hesitation you need to take it out by yourself. This sort of thinking, पहले तो ये जो thinking है, I get stuck up. Take it out. I didn't find any sort of stuck up in you. Whenever a matter is being given to you, whenever sentence, nowadays we are going very target achievement one round, isn't it? Rapid fire round.
Yes, sir.
Round.
Yes,
Which
yes.
you don't stuck up in any way. Quickly we give answers. In the same manner, just think now, just think. Any work, any thought, any word is been assigned to you. Speak. First and foremost, that STUCK, उसको निकाल दो बाहर.
Yes, sir.
It should not be in your frame of mind. Yesterday I said you emotions try to control, and today I'm teaching you that this STUCK you remove. I don't find that stuck in your problem, in your speaking, in your speech. I don't find that. So probably now you have to remove that word from your dictionary, your life's dictionary, and do that. Suppose I'm not present that time. I'm not present that time.
Right.
You are stuck in one of the problem. Correct? You think, no, I stuck up. It is you have to deal in this manner. It is you have to put interest that yes, I can do it. Just Sushma also gave examples. I wanted to argue. It could be that I would have fight with my boss. Obviously, and it has been instructed that I need to go early. What happened? Finally, the boss is not understanding. But what made her understand? Her own self. She made herself calm and stated that yes, I need to be quiet. I need to be patient enough. So she dealt with that situation. She didn't say, sir, I was this, I was having a problem, I was not able to speak. She didn't say anything, sir. I also wanted to argue, but I kept myself contented. Same way, when you feel problem in stuck up, ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता. I don't believe in this. This stuck up word, Rahul, out.
Yes, sir.
So I didn't find this problem in you, to be very frank. हाँ, मानते हैं हम vocabulary, sentences, little bit of grammar and everything. Because see, communication, na, nobody thinks so much as you are thinking. When you communicate, na, nobody thinks in this way. This way. Majority of the people who try to communicate you much more better because what happens? अरे हमको तो आता है, लेकिन if Rahul doesn't know, but he's trying to do that, the quality goes in majority of the people with whom you are communicating. They will never neglect you. They will never say you anything wrong. Believe me. And yourself, you are showing your confidence, you are showing your ethics, you are showing your values. Probably you can say, your schooling, whatever I have did, I didn't have any background. When the time comes, that is more acceptable. Just imagine Hardik Pandya from
Yes.
Gujarat. What they used to do? They used to sell and whatever his life background is there. But today, what he is, that doesn't mean that you have to be right from starting between an English family, born and brought up. ऐसा नहीं रहता है. So the ones who are better enough now, they will understand you. I'm not using better enough. No, it can't be better than you, Rahul. Anybody else I can say. But you try to understand. When it comes to communication part, no, nobody will neglect you. तो वो जो startupness का जो problem है ना, वो हटा दो. And keep yourself believe, keep yourself self-satisfied that yes, I am doing that. कोई भी situation आए Rahul, at any situation you need to speak rather than getting stuck up. Make yourself confident.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Yesterday I taught you how to control your emotions and dealt with it. Yes, at a nearby place you can go and just if you have so much emotion, no problem. No. Sometimes it happens to be ऐसा चीज लाइफ में होता है हमको रिपेंटेंस ज्यादा होता है. That time हाँ अकेले बैठ के या whatever you feel, this is just to feel also and later on get motivated also with this. Don't show your kamzori, your lackingness to anybody. Don't show your weakness, kamzori to anyone. Emotions, try to make them a little bit strong enough. So yesterday I told you that lesson, a very important aspect of life. हम लोग अपने लाइफ में इतने बिजी रहते हैं ना, ये सब चीज रिलेटेड रहती है, ये कभी छोड़ती नहीं है. It never leaves us. And when we go into a situation, that time we understand that yes, emotions is a part of my life. Commitment, it's a part of my life. Feeling sorry, it's part of my life. Everybody's life. So this word you remove. I don't find any lackingness in you, Rahul.
Okay, sir.
Next time, I don't want this word. So I get stuck up. What is the definition of stuck up?
रुक जाना, कहीं अटक जाना.
What?
रुक सा जाना, अटक जाना मीन्स कहीं पे.
रुक सा जाना. लाइफ में कोई रुकता है क्या?
नहीं सर.
Then
The situation where we want to move, where we don't want to move.
yeah, things which is not acceptable for us, which is not there with us in related to anything, you remove that word. No,
Yes, sir.
Sir,
You
stuck up
yourself
means
get
stop and thinking about something.
what, Rahul?
Vaibhav, it's Vaibhav. Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
For
You're saying about
I
Rahul?
think stuck up means stop and thinking.
Hmm.
So if you assign something, some word, and tell me, Vaibhav, make a sentence using that word, I stop and thinking about how I manage or how I create a wonderful sentence using that word. So the pause situation that we called stuck up, that
See,
maybe we called stuck up.
So I'm talking about Rahul. In terms of stuck, now what he does, he's feeling that. first and foremost, you need to take it out.
Okay. Because I feel same. When I am doing in earlier job, my manager used to assign me something. Vaibhav, you should do that work. So I stop and think how I do it better, or how can I do it. It's done by me. So he always say, Vaibhav, whenever I assign you something, you stop doing anything, or you stop behaving, or what answering. You stuck at that place. So I answered them, sir, I'm not stuck up. I just think how I can do that job which is assigned you to me.
Wherever it is the
So
same situation here.
yes,
Whenever you feel that, basically, if you will not feel that I'm stuck up, things will improve. It's very simple.
okay,
Now your boss gives a target, he says you something to do it, I get stuck up. Same Rahul says,
yes,
I get stuck up. What is the matter of thinking in that way? Rather than that, take it. Stuck up means for a second, for a minute. But how you are doing, you're going at a certain place, you're understanding that I get stuck up. Do now boss is saying directly.
okay.
Previous boss used to say you directly, why would you get stuck up?
Because he's very nice and a very wonderful nature. So he believe I am like his small brother. So he can tell or teach or taught us whatever he can be. Same, the I want to add something. The what the leave. If we tell the manager, sir, I want to leave today. I am not able to come. The manager, the older manager, or earlier uh, I work in VIPL, Vidarbha Industrial Power Limited. Maybe Rahul also know that person. I had a boss. His name is Srijesh MK. He's a South Indian. So
South Indian.
yes, and I appointed to work compulsory in Sunday, and be and I go to work in Sunday also. So I used to work in Sunday also. So sorry. So he told me, in the behalf of Sunday, you can put your weekly off any day in the middle of the week. So in the whenever I want to give a leave or weekly off, I just send it a message in the earlier in the early morning 5 a.m. Dear sir, today is my weekly off. I am not able to come, or I am not coming in the office, and send it to the boss or the WhatsApp group. Then he tell me, see, dear Vaibhav, whenever you want to take a weekly off, you are free, but just inform me earlier or day before today, or yes, because I have some plan with you. I am your manager, and I have lots of plan with all of you, whoever I handle. So don't do that thing. Do not inform on the same day. Please inform me earlier or day before today. So I have changed my plan. I have postponed that plan whenever I am going to use you in that plan. So I learned about that thing. What is the manager thinking about the employee, and employee think about manager. You already used to say manager is not easily release us or leave give permit us to take on leave. That thing he told me. So I just want to share the thinking about the manager or the person who manage us. He has some another way of point. From
My
that
answer.
time, I inform the day before. I inform maybe 2 week earlier. And sir, I am going to take a leave, or maybe I am going to take a leave after 6 months or after a year. I just inform, or I just gave an idea to the who is now managing me or able to manage me. So that thing I improved from the last manager.
My answer for this stuck up issue,
Yes,
if
yes.
suppose you are a good player or you are a good dancer for female also I can say for it. If you're a good dancer or if you're a good player, being as a coach or being as a dance teacher, something like that, if I say you are not a good dancer, you are not good, you are not a good player, two things will happen. You will take yourself away from play or dance, or you will show your commitment. Sometimes harsh words or straightforward words affect life, but people don't identify that that is for their benefit. The moment you remove stuck this situation, automatically you change yourself. It's very difficult to accept good things, and it is very easy to accept. I mean to say what? So when you get stuck up, it is my problem. I have to improve upon this. Basically, stuck up is just simple your ideology, your thought, your psychology. The moment you remove this word stuck up, things will change. Yes, it takes time. Sometimes it doesn't take time because this is typically mindset with the flow of your body, speech, thought, and thinking. The moment you feel, no, I won't get stuck up. It could have been if I'm a player, I will show my boss, I will show my coach that how much better I can play.
And then we work with more effort. So
This is what I'm saying. You should give efforts because see, absolutely I'm telling you now, 100%, 100% I'm talking about if coach, if teacher, trainer, such people they speak harsh. Deliberately they speak harsh. Why? Because you have to intake in yourself, yes, I am going through with this problem. The moment you show your interest to understand that sentence, you will show more efforts and probably you'll bring out results. And that time we realize, yes, whatever says, I'm telling you about my example. When we were in school, lots of beating. Probably every parent would have been saying you this. We used to get a lot of beating in our school days. But it made us disciplined. It has made us full of etiquettes. It has made us, yes, how to present ourselves. In fact, for singing also when we were small, no, our teacher used to hear directly on our lips. Why the pronunciation of, Goans and Anglo-Indian teachers. But today we understand, though we are not having a background of singing, but what is more important, we can understand who is a good singer. That time we used to consider a teacher, kitne badmashi, kitna marte hain, how they punish. As we grew, we understood that really those teachers, their beating was very happy for us. They used to beat us so badly. I mean to say, could be some part in me also. I'm talking about my friends also. When they used to beat us, it used to be like a bodyguard sort of a thing, a steel body. In the sense, you go and complain to the parents, they won't listen. Nor the teachers. Basically, we didn't also that had that much of the part of feeling of saying to our parents, yes, we got punishment. Though used to be hide our punishment spots and all these things covered nicely. But really, today, if I think, today we feel that yes, those things were absolutely good for us, and that made us today what we are, and that will stay for a life. So it is very difficult to accept because these things are magic. One day also you can do it. 10 years also you take it, you will not do it. Because there, what the barriers comes out to be the part of lack of understanding. Other word I can say ego problem. The moment ego comes in your life, it means the downfall starts. The thinking process goes weak. The thought becomes very differentiated. You don't come up to the point what is needed in this. So, if you feel yourself some lacunas बोलो तो कमियां, अगर आप में है, how to remove that? Doctor won't provide you any medicine. It's very simple to think somebody guides you, somebody understands you, or you yourself make it understand that yes, this is my lacuna. I need to work and focus on it. Simple. If you want to get good marks without studies, you can't score. So what is needed? Though you're not a merit student, but yes, you have to study to get good percentage. You go for interview, unless and until you prepare yourself, then only you can transform that interview into opportunity for future. So wherever you find your weakness, remove that. And it will happen, I'm telling you. Because I don't find, as Rahul said, stuck up, as Vaibhav also feels that, sir, previously I used to stuck up. Okay, no problem. Everybody does, it happens. Sometimes situation comes in that way. But this is a normal process in which we need to change. Is it fine?
Yes, sir, definitely. And I assure you, that in future, you will never listen stuck word from me.
Two aspects. I'm telling about Vaibhav and Rahul.
Yes, sir. What is the replacement word of stuck off? If I am not using the, I used to be stuck in the previous office. What is the
Used
good word? Or what is the good word or positive word replaced by the word stuck?
to.
Can you suggest us?
You have erased that word, dear. Stuck up, you
Yes.
have erased.
Okay.
You have erased, huh, Vaibhav?
Yes.
I don't find here, nor I find in you, nor I find in Rahul. Both are committed. I'm telling you that. You are very silently committed. Rahul exaggerates. This is the psychological difference between you and Rahul, what I understand. Because I don't find with Vaibhav nor with Rahul any stuck up problems there. Probably you, both of you are doing well. It's not issue. I was just surprised when you said about stuck up. Previously, Vaibhav, fine. That was this, or whatever reality was there. Presently, I'm talking about present. No, I don't find Vaibhav anything. Nor I'll say for Rahul. Rahul is very much exaggerated and therefore he wants to create as much as sentence, as much as topic, as much as themes together, flowing like that. But yes, getting stuck up. If suppose he's stuck up, then he won't continue a sentence. He
Correct.
won't be able to present his ideas or what actually he wants to say, but he's trying his level best to do that. So I don't find the part of this because what happens whenever you start your speech now, if that thought comes in your mind, Hurry, I stuck up, then the fighting goes on there. And finally you're not
Right.
able to present your speech.
Yes, sir.
अगर हम उसको ही error से हटा दें, then obviously you will speak your speech properly. Or whatever you want to say. Or whatever you want to enact or show like that. So
Yes, sir.
probably these three topics only we discuss a lot. What about Shubham and Sachin? Shubham and Sachin is
Yes,
there?
sir. Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Good morning.
Mm-hmm. Good morning. Good morning, dear.
So we were on what about yesterday, right?
Yeah. Sachin will say that, sir, as usual, my day was, isn't it?
Of course, I can say that, but I have much more than that.
Hmm.
Apart from the usual things, we had yesterday our management meeting. My
Hmm.
my what that my third party owners meeting with HR and with senior managers. They have already informed us that we have a meeting and you have to be ready for that.
Hmm.
So I was thinking to put there my questions too.
Hmm.
But when I got to attended that meeting, I got to know that there are few engineers which are working more than 10 years
Hmm.
and they also don't getting too much salary and all same HR issues and all till now. So I just listened all the meeting very carefully and one of the guy from us, you know that we are a group of engineers from different locations. So he was from he was from Indore. And he was used to saying, "Sir, like sir, I'm working on the same project from 11 years and don't have increment into that much increment in salary. I'm getting this few much of salary." And then when our main senior manager was there, he was saying, "You are still here from 11 years and you don't get that much of salary." I was not aware about that. I was also older than you, but I have left company in between for 4 years, and after that I have joined this again. So on that part, I got the what is going on in our management and all. So I just listened all over the things and analyze that not for me there is not much more problems as I was thinking after hearing all that conversation and all. and I realized that I have to stop here. Of course, I'll come, put my questions to them, but not here. I'll put them apart from that in mail conversation. So what the main thing is, whenever I used to switch my job or join any company, I always used to make target that I have to work here for 6 months, for 1 year, or for 2 years. So whenever I used to make target, I used to make sure that he switched to HDFC support staff. And also, whenever we goes to a question, I want to ask you that whenever we start any discussion, conversation, we just go with the flow. Like you said, whenever someone is speaking, let them speak. At least whatever he wants to speak, that should come out. The things go same on, but I want to know whenever we judge some others, that we can find mistakes easily. What can be done that we can find our own mistakes? Is there any way to find out that?
Simple as that. Introspect yourself.
Sorry,
Introspect yourself. That where actually you're lacking.
how?
Depending upon the drawbacks what you have. You know your weaknesses. If I
No,
ask you this, question, you know any weaknesses of yours? You don't have any weakness?
no, I don't think so.
Then there is no point of asking any problem you have for. You are
So still, it happens. Actually, we don't realize that. Sometimes it happens that we realize we have said something wrong. There was much more mistakes in our conversation, but sometimes it happens like we have done nothing wrong. Just
See,
what that said.
while doing communication or interaction with anyone, I suggested you
Yeah.
to never feel. Just now I said never feel that yes, I made mistake. If a sensible person is there right in front of you, he will not figure out your mistakes. If he figure out
Okay.
your mistake, that moment he'll help you in that way. For example, just now Weber said that, sir, my previous boss used to say, Weber, you try to get stuck up. Correct. But it can happen. Now, Vaibhav took it in a very positive way and try to change that. In the same manner, what happens? You are saying that, sir, whenever I speak, I feel myself that after speaking and everything is done, I feel that I've done mistakes. This
Some
is your correct.
sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
But
Some of the times.
that moment also to make it a point that you don't feel because once you spoke, things will never come back.
Right.
Correct. So here also when you stay, when we interact each other, that moment also I just feel no, I need to listen. If I make pauses in your sentences, Sachin, you made mistake here, Sachin, you made mistake here, you'll go away from what actually you want to say. So
Right.
therefore I give you a chance, therefore I give you the opportunity to speak everything. And finally, the way you communicate with me, I don't find anything unusual or problematic or you're making mistakes.
So it is
So
your teaching point of view. What about if we goes to the interview and there is another guy what that's judging you from your uh, s- English language? What that time? Of course, he'll judge you with your mistakes and all.
Sachin,
Just finds out the mistake.
uh, those
Yeah.
are the mindset of which HR, what sort of HR is sitting there, what sort of questions they deliver you. Correct. But practically, if you said you don't have any weakness, so why are you getting worried? You
No,
say
I
that you
just
are perfect.
got this question: how to overcome this? I know there is no mistake, but still, when we goes to the interview round and all that, we stuck some. I'm not going to stuck somewhere, but they'll find out mistakes which you didn't realize that you have
Obviously,
done.
everybody is there to pick out mistakes only, pinpoint mistakes. But that
Yes.
more how you deliver yourself that is more important. How you present, how you come up with that solution of problem that depends upon yourself and in that situation, in that environment, like that. Now,
Okay.
suppose you're going for IT company interviews and everything. We don't know what sort of frame they'll ask you the question.
Yeah.
So that history, that experience, that knowledge you should have. Unless and until you will clear those computer-based question, hardware-based question, then only you can clear. Very systematic, very specific. But when it comes to your weakness, you don't have any weakness. You probably say you don't have any weakness. So there is no point of your yourself as Sachin. Sachin is having no problem with himself. Only thing is that now that is only not matter no in interview session. Your subject content, problem solving, how much
Correct.
experience you, how much knowledge you have, and more importantly, what sort of productiveness you bring to the company. Now these aspects are not related to yourself only. These are knowledge.
Right.
So when you are firm that I don't have any problem, you have to prepare for these five aspects or much more than that.
Yeah.
Then you will introspect on this. Probably you will make preparation on this. And when you make preparation on this, you are firm, you are fine. Added to this will help you to clear the interview. Because that situation, what questions they'll ask, we don't know anything about that. But yes, the common questions, regular ones, how we need to do that, we can do it. But in that case of scenario, see, I don't feel that everybody is having some sort of weaknesses. But as you suggested that say, I don't have any weakness, so there is no problem at all.
Okay.
Okay,
Still, is there any way?
I don't find such a. See,
How to
basically,
analyze ourselves?
no. First, important. When I asked you this question, Sachin, have you have any weakness with yourself? You said no, sir. I am perfect. So once you are perfect, I cannot figure it out to take it out.
Yeah.
Correct. And knowledge wise, experience wise, and your portfolio wise about your thoughts of experience, about your hardware and software, knowing, knowledge, and everything, that relates to the company based questions. What sort of HR will ask you? What sort of the manager, general manager, or the project manager can ask you? We cannot frame that. That depends upon your knowledge, how to deal with and clear the interview. So the basic objectives of interview we can teach, but subject oriented, whatever things is there, you have to deal with that. It goes to everyone. You are a software engineer, fine. Other one can be MBA, they have a different question. If a doctor goes for any interview, they'll have a different question. Like that.
Okay.
IT engineer, different question. Okay.
Yeah. Right.
Shubham is there?
Yes, sir.
Shubham,
Good morning, sir.
before that, I would request, sir, we should prepare the slide by the way. And Shubham, keep time management.
Yes, sir.
2 minutes. Complete your experience yesterday's.
Sir, yesterday we are actually, last time I said we are creating an environment in our office to,
Uh-huh.
to talk in uh, to talk in English. When we are talk to our work, we should be talking in English.
Mhm.
So yesterday, what is happening? My some my fellow teammates. Sometimes they are lagging to communicate in English. Some words they didn't know how to spell or how to use. So yesterday he talked in Hindi. So I said, if you want to grow, if you want to us with this company, because we are working in tender basis, we are working in tender. When tender is over, we want to leave this place. So we need to be upgrade your skills, and we want to communicate in English is really must. So at the time, what is happening? Uh, my friend said, कि हम लोग कैसे बोलेंगे उसे, हम लोग के पास वो वर्ड हम लोग गैदर नहीं कर पाते थे, उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करें. So we said we are using in dictionary.
Mhm.
So he said we have also work. uh, that means what is happening now, sir? We have lots of work. We have lots of call nowadays because of pandemic is going on, and we are working in minimum support. So, and we are also trying to improve your skills, and we are also using in communication skills or talking in English. So when we
Tell him to join
talking
a class. Tell him to join a class.
sir. Yeah, I will tell him to join a class. So he said कि यार अगर हम हिंदी इंग्लिश में बात करते रहेंगे तो उसमें टाइम चले जाता है 5-10 मिनट कि क्या बोलना है कैसे बोलना है और we have less time to solve the issue. So that time we could not guess the word, how to talk, how to spell this word, or how to speak this sentence in English. So that's why we are skip to talk in English, and we are going to the Hindi because we have less time. मतलब हाँ ठीक है, वो भी बात सही है आपकी कि हमें मिनिमम टाइम में काम करना है. So this thing is going for me, sir.
Shubham, you contributed what good sign from your side? You did commune, you did share that how to improve. Just imagine, no, you are giving some nice solutions to them and people don't listen.
Right.
How it feels that yes, they are not understanding the realistic. The percentage of people to understand is very less. But when they understand, they know the importance of who actually you are. You tried your level best to make them understand. But anyhow, but you gave the suggestion, no, good from your side, Shubham, I tell you. It's really good from your side that you contributed your part. I said, you know, efforts, interest is needed. Kabhi ego ko itna mat badhao. We need to show our ego like that we know everything. Remember always, don't let ego rule your life.
Yes.
Don't let proudness rule your life. Be humble, be kind, be acceptable. Don't show yourself that I know everything all around the world. It's not like that. So you did from your side, the approach was appreciable. But what they think about this, let them deal in that way. One or the other day, they'll realize. But you showed your part. Yes, you can say much more solutions and everything because regularly you will see them. And the moment you will prosper, they'll also see that also. So from your side, you contributed, that is achievable. Changing somebody's life, no, is very, very different.
Yeah.
Now, for example, sir is working so hard on you all. Have you thought for a while that sir contributed himself and sir made himself to make your life
Yes, sir.
change?
Yeah. Right now, we
Therefore,
all have.
Therefore, I see the emotions coming out. Therefore, I see because the touching part, you shared from your side because today it is not with you. Today is with you. Tomorrow will be with your family members and everything. Just now you saw Shushma, how she did, how Sachin is dealing now presently. He saw yesterday the pressure. Now he's getting a little bit worried that how I need to plan it out my future. 10 years experience, person is there only at the same position, with the same salary, with the same package. Now what Sachin will think after 10 years? Will he stay in the same? No. And here, you are having a different situation. You are trying to improve somebody else's life. They are not understanding. But moreover, we have to think, we are all five. We have to think about ourselves, what changes we can bring about, what improvements we can bring about. Every day, life is introspection. You have to introspect your life, that what is lacuna in me, what I'll try to change, and probably you all are doing. It's not like that. So from your side, you contributed. Good. It really touched actually. That though at any cost, when you say na Shubham, don't take it in other ways. The sweetness is not there. The sweetness in your voice is not there. But the thing is that the realistic approach is there. The feeling is there. Yeah, understand. Hindi, fine, you know. But English, you can change your life. So I am
telling him. I am telling him कि let me try, but he said यार देखते हैं ना, करेंगे धीरे धीरे ट्राई करेंगे, बट अभी काम बहुत ज्यादा है और करना है, और सर एग्जैक्ट टाइम पे करेंगे.
Shubham, don't you feel that when you speak more of English and everything, your whole identity changes, your dressing changes, the dressing style also changes, your thoughts of whom to live with or whom to talk with, the coordination among people changes.
Yes, sir, definitely.
What group you need to approach with? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
This is the impact actually with English part. I didn't mean to say I have full respect of Hindi and Marathi. Absolutely no doubt about that. I also feel to learn Marathi from you all. I really feel. Probably when you said yesterday, somebody said, you only said, Shubham, that Somebody is learning German language.
No.
So I have
German language.
also. One of my students used to teach me, sir, Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen means good morning. Guten Nacht means good afternoon. Guten Abend means good evening. So some sort of things we try to learn. Yes, contribute yourself in learning foreign languages also. Koshish karna. Whenever you get chance, make a recreation. That will benefit you, I'll tell you.
I will definitely try, sir.
So we are getting short of time. I know that today it was really surprising. I was just behind your experiences only, and you shared about this. So this is the way you are doing your contribution. Vaibhav side, yes. Rahul, Sushma, yourself, Sachin, yes. Everybody is doing well. I'm telling you that. Every day I find some sort of improvements. You say by your speech, but I understand by your identity that what sort of change has been brought, what sort of supportive hand you are providing to your life, contribution to your life. I'm understanding that. You're just merely speaking. That doesn't mean that sir is letting you to speak continuously. But behind this, tomorrow I can teach you. Within 10 minutes or within 2 minutes, you have to complete yesterday's experience. Because I also value time. You also value time. But when it happens to be that you go into it, I don't want to obstruct you. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll be telling you that only a part of experience yesterday you have to cut short in 2 minutes. Because sometimes it happens to be you cannot bring the entire story together. This is sensible. I'm not talking that no, you can't do that. But it is quite sensible. This is quite a formal way of talking, in which we'll organize only that much that is need to be said. Excess of talking is also more difficult. Huh? We need to be just pinpoint to the aspect what we need to deliver. Correct? So I'll teach you this also, that 2 minutes time is given. How we do it in debate. 2 minutes. Tell your expression, tell your words, or tell your thoughts. In the same manner, I will give you 2 minutes. Explain yesterday's thought or some other incident or something new. We can discuss about that. This is intelligent way of talking. Nothing else obstructing your feeling, emotions. No, nothing. This is just an intelligent way of talking. Sometimes this we need to learn. We need to learn it. Because everywhere you go and speak, nobody entertains there. Nobody entertains. If you go to boss and say also, sir, so and so, be specific, say what actually you want to say. Because I don't have time. But that doesn't mean I will not hear your emotions, your thoughts and anything. No. People don't believe in that. Okay? So tomorrow onwards we'll go in this aspect, that yes, a continuous talk of 3 minutes, and then bell will ring, or I'll give you an emergency. Only 1 minute is left. That is an oxygen time which I'll provide you to complete your thoughts in 3 minutes. 4th minute it starts, it means that it's an oxygen time. So you have to complete anyhow, putting everything in it, complete that conclusion.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay.
So today I enjoyed listening your thoughts, listening your experience of yesterday. 16th, we are starting with the next module. You all are there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Don't forget, every time put your efforts. Learning is a continuous process. Every day, a new experience. You will get to know unless and until you will get experiences of that, and you're probably getting it. Deliver whatever is being taught and take it in a very positive manner. Don't let your ego rule your life. Remember this. Be humble, be kind, always feel yourself as a problem-solving person. Is it clear? With this good thoughts, stay safe, enjoy the day, and be happy. Tomorrow when I'll start, I'll gather the timing in timetable wise, and then finally because a presentation was there, some games, some, as we did yesterday, something new also I wanted to implement that. But yes, after listening your experiences, that doesn't mean that sir wants to obstruct your timing and everything. Don't think it that way. But yesterday I want to teach you time, respecting time, keeping the punctuality of time in mind, and speaking whatever needs to be said by you all. Okay? So with this good note, I end this today's session. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay?
See
Stay
you
safe.
soon.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take your day
Thank you,
nice.
sir.